Yo, I'm back. Part 2. How to prep fruit. Alright, so I did the grapes and the oranges. If you guys were here for the part 1, you seen me do all that. Alright. Anyways, the fruit has been prepped. Watch this. Oh, this shit. Alright, time to make that rice I was talking about. Pan. Look at the flick of the wrist. Alright, I gotta get your favorite measuring cup. I'm gonna get mine. You gotta have your music when you cook it. It is. Alright. Get your rice. This is my type of rice. Jasmine, just like my girl. Wow, this is a fire ass rice. Super simple technique. Recipe, I'm sorry. Alright. Get 1 cup of rice. Boom. So it's gonna be 1 cup of rice to 2 cups water. That's real. Alright, for this recipe, all you're going to need is that rice, 1 green bell pepper, and 2 cups of water. That's it. And it's going to be some fire rice. So good that you'll be able to impress people, bros. You might not believe me, but it's the truth. Boom. Just cut this fucking head off. Cut the fucking head off. And try to cut as best you can. Try to core it, you know what I mean? Boom. You could even make, you know what I'm saying, like, stuff this up with cheese or whatever, you know what I'm saying? You can make this shit like, you can make some dope shit if you cut it like that, but that's just how I like to do it. I don't know about you guys. Please tell me why you always say. You want to get nice little cubes out of this, you know what I'm saying? Cut into little strips. You see, I don't know if you guys can see that.
The Labor Day sales event is happening now at your Desert
Just stack them on top of each other.
Save on select 2018 Ford trucks, SUVs, and cars. From F-150, Motor Trend's 2018 Truck of the Year to Escape and Fusion, both with in-vehicle smartphone functionality.
It doesn't have to be perfect,
Just the start.
but you want like little bites, you know.
Desert Ford dealers to see how much you'll save on a new Ford this Labor
See that right there? Boom. So you want to repeat that process. Put that in there. You want to put this shit in here, the bell peppers, before you get the water going. You want it to boil with the rice, so you want it to boil at the same time. Basically, I found that 1 bottle of water is pretty much exactly what you need for the recipe. It's gonna need 2 cups of water, right? So just so y'all can see, that's cup number 1. Boom, cup number 2. That's all the water you're gonna need, folks. That's all the water you're gonna need. Just gonna cut it up. Again, nice little strips. Just pile them up. Alright, let me get that water going. Alright, so I'm just mixing it up, people. My bad if I was a little bit quiet. I was just a little focused. My bad, y'all. Let me show you what this looks like. You know what I'm saying? So that's what it should pretty much look like when it comes to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, you're gonna want to turn off the heat and just put a plate over it and don't touch it. Just let it do its thing, people. Let it do its thing. All right, next on the agenda, gonna make banana smoothie. Let's do this real quick. Boom. Put the strawberries in there, like so. I'm gonna do about 2 bananas. You could put, like, if you're working out or whatever, if you like to work out, or you're just trying to get some protein, you can crack some eggs. You can put like 1 or 2 eggs in here for the protein thing. You know what I'm saying? But I'm just gonna put 2 bananas in, a little bit of strawberries, some milk, and I'm just eyeballing this shit, people. Sugar. I'm scared to put sugar in there, people. Think about how many fucking grams of sugar isn't in your everyday Coca-Cola. Boom. Just like that. Like I said, you can add eggs and all that, but that's it. Only, like, you know. Done, son. Ooh, look at that shit, son. Look at that shit, son. Taste test. Oh, yeah. I try to get a bomb every time, son. Can't go wrong with this one. Especially in the morning with some breakfast, a hearty breakfast. Get you ready for the day, player. Alright, that's it. It was a quick little video. I know it wasn't really too much. It was just me pretty much prepping up all this fruit and making that rice. But you know, little things like this will help me for the day, you know what I mean? And then right now my girl's coming home. She's bringing the rest of the groceries that we're going to cook with this. This rice is for later in lunch. You know what I mean? I'm going to make some chicken. I'm going to have some rice to feed my son. These fruits are for snacks for him and for my girl. I got more got more shit that I prepped up right here, you know what I'm saying? This is papaya, and this is motherfucking pineapple. But yeah, you know what I'm saying? My girl was eating that one, but you know, she mixed it, whatever. These little tips, hopefully this will help you. This has been Moneymike's cooking tutorials, cooking prepping videos, whatever you want to call them. You know what I'm saying? Tune in to the next one.